It's nothing complicated, it's rather very easy. You just need to follow the 6 steps in the order that I will be presenting you. Usually dressing up to an event is not difficult, but looking stylish and wear our best every single day is not always easy. Thus, today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well. If you're new, hello, my name is Sandra. I'm a content creator from Lisbon. Welcome to my channel. We all make the mistake to gravitate towards wearing some regular clothes on regular days and leave the good clothes for special occasions, which sometimes never come because not everyone goes out every week to a special occasion. Despite that, we all know that when we dress up, it instantly affects our mood, our confidence goes up, our energy goes up, and we feel amazing. Isn't it true? So, I always follow these easy steps to look my best every day, and I'm sharing it with you all. Because sharing is love, and maybe my tips could be important to help at least one of you. It's worth it. You just need to follow the 6 steps in the order that I will be presenting you, and follow this order is very important. You will know it as I go along. Also, I want to show you 2 pieces of jewelry by MSBLUE, a brand from New York. How beautiful these pieces are. This is the pair of earrings that I chose. Opens like that, and it's this beautiful ring. It's called the Eternity Band, and I just love it. Very beautiful packaging. I will talk in detail about this jewelry brand and also about the pieces that I chose further ahead. So this is kind of a formula that I find it works for me, and so let's begin with step number 1. That is, I always start by footwear. Why is that? Because no one wants to have sore feet. Being well dressed is being comfortable, and not less important, our shoes must be in accordance with the activity of the day. You don't want to be running errands in heels. And so, if I start by my clothes, maybe that specific piece that I want to wear requires a specific pair of shoes that won't suit either the activity or the weather of the day. So, I begin by choosing my footwear according to what I'm going to do. Usually, I pose myself some questions. Am I going to the office? Am I running errands all day and do a lot of walking? Am I going shopping? And how's the weather? Is it going to rain? Maybe a closed shoe is better. Is it a hot summer day? Perhaps a pair of sandals is my choice. Then, if you want to match your shoe color with other accessories in your outfit, begin by choosing the style of your shoe, but leave the color choice to the end. And now, moving on to step number 2 is where I decide the color or the shade of my outfit. I consult myself. You should consult yourself. Are you in the mood for a colorful look? There are days we want to stand out, but others we just need a calm outfit. Maybe a light outfit is better, or you just love and want a darker outfit. And that leaves us to step number 3, which is deciding your bottoms. Are you more into pants, or a pair of shorts suits better the activity of the day? Maybe a skirt is your preference, or even you just love dresses. And so, after choosing the bottoms, we go to step 4. Here I advise you to hold your bottoms, look at your top options, and again, choose according to your mood. Do you want to go monochrome, tone on tone? Or do you love a good color contrast? Also, do you want a sleeveless top, a short sleeve, or a long sleeve shirt? Another thing to take into consideration is, are you making a casual outfit or one more formal? All these choices are very personal and it's up to each one of us to decide. Now, you could finish in here and just add your shoes and bag, but that will be just one more regular outfit for a regular day. And we do not want that. We want to be stylish on a daily basis. That's why we will move on to step number 5, when you will be adding a third piece, no matter the season of the year. Of course, in fall, winter it's easier. During summer it's more difficult, but it's possible. You could opt for a blazer if it's a cooler day. On a warmer day, go for a waistcoat instead. You could also wear a cardigan or a thin sweater over your shoulders. This extra layer will add dimension to your outfit, making it much more elevated. And last but not least, step number 6, don't forget to accessorize. This is the cherry on the cake. It's that extra effort you put into your outfit that will pay back. In this category of accessories and complements, I include my bags, scarves, hats, belts and jewelry. I usually match my bag or belt with my shoes. These will make the outfit cohesive. You can also add a scarf around the neck or as a belt, or tie it on your bag. It's also a great way to show your personal style. Within the accessories category, jewelry is to me the cherry on the cake. Be careful with your pieces, as cheap looking jewelry can ruin your outfit, but good jewelry will instantly elevate it. And so I've partnered with MSBLUE, that is a really lovely fine jewelry brand from New York. They reached out to me asking if I wanted to work with them. I didn't know this brand, and so I did my research and looked their website and reviews, and I fell in love with their pieces of jewelry. They craft breathtaking fine jewelry that embodies tradition and modern elegance at the same time, which is just my cup of tea. So they've kindly sent me 2 pieces of my choice that came in this bag again, together with a beautiful case for each piece. They also have a fabric pouch to carry your jewelry if you want, a cleaning cloth also. And so let's begin with the earrings. They're 3-row pavé moissanite hoop earrings, environmentally friendly because moissanite is lab grown, not mined. It simulates a perfect diamond. These earrings are made of sterling silver with a gold finish, and the stones are moissanite. These gentle hoops are really special, and I personally think there's a real need for a small hoop. I think this makes a very subtle statement while still being very easy to combine with other pieces. They're those earrings that you can rely for your day-to-day looks. I would advise to go and check them out because they've got some really great variety of pieces. And what's better, I have a discount code for you that will show on the screen, and I'll leave it also in the description box below. I also chose this ring. It's called the Eternity Band, also made in sterling silver with gold finish. It's a French pavé round cut with moissanite stones. This moissanite Eternity Band is a stunning ring that adds sparkle and elegance to any outfit. What I really like about these is that they're a lovely shade of the most subtle gold. It's 925 sterling silver, crafted with a gold finish, which is going to be really durable as well. So make sure you check MSBLUE out. I'll leave the links below so you can shop them. They're really fair, reasonable prices for the quality and materials they use. And you could opt also to do 14 karat gold, 18 karat gold and also platinum. There are plenty of choices for everyone. You will be seeing me wearing this jewelry, I'm sure, in many videos to come. Jewelry, I mean, you know, it's my finishing touch. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to like this video also. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be part of this community of beautiful women. I would love to have you here again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!